Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the pTron Boom Ultima dual driver wired earphones. From the box you can tell what these particular earphones are supposed to look like. You will notice that these are composite earphones. Each of these earphones have 2 speakers rather than 1, so that's a total of 4 speakers. It also comes with a 3.5mm jack, a gold-plated 3.5mm jack, and a volume rocker plus multifunctional button. We will take a look at all of these components. Over here we have some specifications. This comes with a 3.5mm aux plug, wire length is 1.2 meters, driver size of 8mm into 4. As mentioned earlier, there are 4 speakers, so that's 8mm into 4. That's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look inside. Everything else, this is it. So it comes in this particular carrying case which has pTron written on it. There you can see. To open this box, and this is it. This is the pTron Boom Ultima dual driver wired earphones. Also there are some extra silicone tips over here. So there are a total of 2 extra silicone tips pairs. This is the large variant and these are the small variant. The medium size are attached to the earphones already, so there you can see. So these are composite earphones. You will notice that each of these earphone has 2 speakers in them, so that's a total of 4 speakers and 4 audio drivers. This is followed by a braided cable. This is actually TPE braided cable. They're very difficult to break and or get entangled. This is basically this will ensure that the wires last for a very long time. On the other end you have a gold-plated 3.5mm jack. There you can see. Okay, there you can see it now, much better. There you can see this is the inline remote control. It has a volume rocker and a multifunction button. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the pTron Boom Ultima dual driver wired earphones. Thank you for watching.